Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Aspire MBA Mentor. So in this video I am going to talk about the CAT 2020 exam, the new changes which were announced today for the CAT 2020. So let's go ahead. So before talking about the changes, the announcement which has been also made by the authorities is that the CAT 2020 registration deadline has been extended by a week to September 23, 2020. So all those who were uh, registering today at the last minute, you still have a week now to register for the exam. So take a deep breath and register for the exam as soon as possible to avoid the last minute glitches. So here are the new changes which are announced this year for the CAT 2020. So the biggest change which I feel is the duration of the exam. Like it has been made 120 minutes, that is 2 hours for this year. So always the CAT duration of the CAT exam was 3 hours. So this year the duration is 2 hours, 120 minutes is the duration, and the candidates will be allotted exactly 40 minutes for each section. So that is the sectional timing for the CAT 2020, and the candidates will not be allowed to switch from one section to another. So if you are attempting a particular section, so you have to spend 40 minutes there and attempt the section, and you will not be allowed to switch from one section to another. And the new change once again is that the CAT 2020 will be conducted on a single day in 3 different sessions on the 29th of November 2020. So it will be conducted on a single day in 3 different sessions. So here are the 3 sections which are the same like the CAT exam always had. The section 1 is verbal ability and reading comprehension. The section 2 is data interpretation and logical reasoning, and the section 3 is quantitative aptitude. So the 3 sections of the CAT exam remain the same. There are no changes in that, but however the number of questions for the 3 sections are still not announced, or they have not clarified on it. So we have to wait for the clarification on the number of questions, which will be announced within few days. So the other announcements which were made by the CAT authorities today were that those who want to edit their photograph, signature or test city preferences, they can still do once the registration window is over. So after September 23, there would be a small window which would be given to the candidates so that they can edit their photograph, signature and test city preferences. So many people were asking me that they want to edit their photo or they want to edit their test city preferences. So still you can do that. Once the registration window is over, you will get a time of few days wherein you can edit and make the necessary changes. And one more announcement is that the tutorials to understand the new format of the CAT exam will be released on the CAT website in October. So candidates are advised to go through those tutorials well in advance before they appear for the CAT on 29th of November. These tutorials will help you to understand the format of the exam and will clear any confusion which you are having right now. So please go through the tutorials whenever they are released on the CAT website. So thanks for watching this video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in description. I keep uploading questions, all the important questions of various exams on Instagram and Facebook. So it would be very helpful if you go through them. So follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. And most important, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, as I would keep posting videos which are helpful in your exam preparation. So thank you and all the best.